Alright, welcome to Cooking with Bubbles. It's Sunday, so we got meal prep. Most of you guys are probably eating some sort of chicken, so I'm going to make some chicken for you today. First, we got some chicken breasts. I already filleted them in half because you know how thick they get. This will make them cook nice and even. And I got this nice low moisture cooking skillet. No butter, no grease, and that's how it's going to stay, okay? We've been eating chicken. We don't want to add more calories with all the fat we got to put in there and make sure it doesn't stick to the pan. You're going to see that. Alright, so we'll fill that up in a second, but we're going to preheat it. We're going to put it at medium, not high. We're not trying to burn this chicken. Medium. Alright, we got the chicken, and then all we're going to season it up with is some kicked up chicken. It's delicious. We also have garlic and herb, which we've done before. So here's what's going to happen. See this chicken? It's got that white stuff. That's called fat. And the fat in the chicken, even though it's a chicken breast, it's the leanest chicken, that part of the chicken, so that's why we eat it, because then you don't have all the fat from the thighs and the dark meat. Well, let me just move on. Alright, so we're going to put this chicken in, single layer. The fat from the chicken is going to keep the chicken nice and juicy. And who cares if it sticks? It's not going to stick. That's the secret. You'll see later. Alright, so we're going to make one nice single layer of chicken. Speaking of chicken, just kidding. Alright, well, we ran out of room. This guy will have to wait till next round. Anyways, so take a look. One single layer of chicken. That's like 2 full chicken breasts. It's a few meals. So what's going to happen is we're going to put on some of this and I'll explain. Boop, 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 boop. Chicken breast is very plain, so we got to have some spices. And spices are great because they add flavor with no calories. If you're eating chicken, you're probably not eating it to get extra calories. You're trying to get that protein. Because you know you got to eat a lot of chicken or meat or fish or something to get all the protein you need per day. So I'm just going to season this bad boy up. Alright, here's good. Alright, kicked up chicken. Alright, put it on here. Ready? This is the secret. We're going to put the top on. We're not going to take it off. I know you're shocked. How are we going to know when it's done? Well, you'll see. Alright, so the top's on the pot. Low moisture cooking again. So this is creating a seal. It's going to cook from the bottom because that's where the heat is. It's also going to cook from the sides because there's pot there. And it's going to cook from the top down too. So it's going to cook from all 4, 5, 6, I don't know, infinite angles. And that chicken's just going to get cooked and delicious. The only thing you're going to miss out on, I'm going to let this sit for a couple minutes. When it starts getting warm, it's going to start rattling. And as soon as that happens, I'm just going to put it on low. And then we'll be back for the next video. Alright, see you in a minute. And we're back! As you can see, the chicken's bubbling. I already turned it down to low and it's still going. So, are you ready for the big reveal? Check this out. 3, 2, 1. Check out that chicken. Look how juicy it is. Oh my god, look at all that chicken juice. That's straight gravy, baby. Alright, let's cut it open and see if it's done. Haven't peeked. Got a fresh cutting board. And what do we need here? We need a knife. Let's get the carver. Alright. Let's take this one. Alright. Get that out of the way. Oh! Look at that! It's white! It's so juicy! Oh boy! Now all I gotta do is cut this up and throw it in my lunch. But, what should we do with all this chicken gravy? That chicken juice. Obviously it's a little fat, but look at that chicken stock. Smells so good. We could throw that on some rice. That way we don't need any other oils. Well, we could do so many things. Chicken soup, you know. Oh, anyways, this has been Cooking with Bubbles. So tune in next week for how to cook vegetables.